Play side is what make it a good attraction in captivity. SeaWorld report that this behavior also has an important purpose for dolphin in the wild. Dolphins often chase one another and throw objects such as seaweed from one to the other. These natural behavior allow the dolphin to practice in hunting skill. Play is also a way for dolphin to bond with one another. Dolphins use special communication techniques in the wild when meeting new pods. Each dolphin has its own signature, which scientists consider as their individual name. Dolphins can recognize other dolphins in the wild they have not seen in a longer time by their signature, something other creatures do not do.